Hello and welcome to our video on how to choose the right size of shower pan using our new tileable shower pan system. My name is Mike, and I'm here to guide you through the process. First, it's important to measure the dimensions of your shower. Take measurements of the length and width of the space. In this example, we'll be using a shower area of about 30 inches by 60 inches. Next, determine the location of the drain and select your preferred drain type, either a linear or square drain. This is also a good time to decide whether your shower will be curbless or have a curb. For a shower with a curb, the drain can be located anywhere except at the entrance. However, with a curbless shower, square drains can be located anywhere, while linear drains must be located at the entrance. Remember to keep these guidelines in mind when selecting the right size shower pan for your space, and if you're planning a curbless installation, don't forget to consider adding the bracket kit to recess the wood subfloor to ensure a perfect and easy installation. Now it's time to choose the size of the shower pan. Our linear tileable shower pan system comes in a range of sizes, from 32 inches to 80 inches wide, available curb or curbless. Keep in mind that the pan can be cut to size or extended with dry pack mortar if necessary. And every kit will come with all needed parts to install, including the drain of your preference. Our square shower pan comes in one size 32 inches by 64 inches. With the drain position for two locations, center and off-center. Both options come curb or curbless. By the way, it is important to mention that 32 inches by 64 inches and any option linear or square are ideal for tub to shower conversion. Now going back to our initial example, if the shower area is 60 inches by 30 inches, the shower pan to use is 32 inches by 64 inches for square drain pan options, or 32 inches by 64 inches, or 64 inches by 64 inches for linear drain. Now we decide if it is square or linear, the drain location, and if your shower will be curb or curbless. Once that is decided, we move to the fun part and check the selection of drains. Choose from our wide range of square and linear drain design collections available in both Lagos and Delmer series. Our collections come in a variety of finishes including satin, polished, gold, black and bronze. We also offer the sleek and modern mist frameless linear drain option. Select your favorite, or the one that best matches the rest of your bathroom fixture finishes or your tile floor. It is just a matter of preference.
We hope this information has helped you understand how to choose the right size of shower pan for your needs. Remember, the size of the pan should fit as close as possible to your area. However, the pan can be cut to size or extended with dry pack mortar if necessary. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching.